Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Farah Umar binti Zulfaqar. Was present about women as minorities. Okay, let's rename Madam Rozlawati bin Syaiti Syari, and my grouping name is Dorifah, Hidayatul, Atika, Suraya, and Ahmad Fatihi. Okay, I just get a topic about sexual harassment. Okay, what do you know about sexual harassment? Okay, sexual harassment nowadays is always happen. We as a woman, or man or both, must take sexual harassment as a main point. Okay, what is sexual harassment? Harassment is about unwelcome sexual advance that always request for sexual favor, other verbal or physical harassment of a sexual nature. And then what we know is that harassment is illegal when it is so frequent or so that it creates a hostile or offensive work environment, or when it results in an adverse environment condition. Okay, next slide is about example of sexual harassment behavior in workplace. Okay, first, you must know that make the environment and placement or hostile for retained employee. Okay, second, second is display sexual suggestive picture. For example, one people show you pictures that contain a very harmful picture or very sexy picture. That is about harassment workplace, sexual harassment. Okay, third is about talk about person physical characteristic. It's about, for example, your friend was show your sexy picture, say a characteristic of the body. The woman must know that that is about sexual harassment. And the fourth is about do improper or uncomfortable touching. Someone touching you on body or something else. That's about example of sexual harassment. Okay, next slide is about how to prevent sexual harassment. Okay, first is about encourage concealed agreement from to the official romance, and next never lot at our encourage in appropriate job. And next, ensure that all upper level employee attend anti-harassment workshop. For me, I think this is a good thing that employee must attend, because this nowadays is very important. And then respond to sexual harassment complying right way, and then create a strong harassment policy. For example, government must take action to create a policy. And lastly, prevent retaliation. Design and the law. What is the sexism? What is that? What do you think about sexism? Now I will explain to you. Okay, unequal treatment of women and that content of a particular society. And third, against women in particular. Okay, female humans are not even a real minority, as they outnumber men around the world. So that I can find the majority number of women more than a man. So that in the investigate in United States, women employees earn only 77% as much as a man doing the same work. The example, women and the men play a same work. Next is women are second class citizen in much how of the certain country in China, with a law limiting family to one child. Okay, for the explanation, in the China, they have a limited women to birth one child. Next is about Many countries have minorities that are discriminated against at the official by law or by common practice. Okay, and for the last topic, I think everybody know what is about women and politics. Nowadays, that we can see women and politics play a role model. For as okay, women in politics, the slow fight for female political represent over the last century. Who the women have a slow fight, and then women have a significant strides in girl education, maternal health, and labor force participation to make a politics as well. And then women in politics raise issue that are the overlook, that they overlook all the issue that happen in the world nowadays. That research of women politics raise issue that are the overlook, and second is about buildings that are the opposed. And third, invest in protect other dismissed. And fourth, that we cannot seek to end abuse that other injured. Injured. Okay. For the conclusion that I can conclude is, women play a role model nowadays, and we as the women must prevent sexual harassment that happen, and we as women also must take care ourselves. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.